Welcome to September 30th pre-market video. We're looking right now at the Dow as we do every morning or every day before the market. We had a decline on today's day, basically on Tuesday. We're looking at just going sideways and then going down, continuing, and no follow through basically to yesterday's strong move. And we can see as well that this was a lower volume than the previous days, right? Normally when you have a big increase, you like to have bigger days of, like bigger volumes as it pushed toward, like new level. Right now we can probably get into consolidation. We'll see. This pivot point will be something to watch if we ever get to that point, okay? So that's something to consider. A lot of stock just went down, corrected. Some of them, the QQQ as well, but it came back toward the end of the day. The SPY also, let's look at the 60-minute chart. You can see, came back just toward the end, but if you look at the volume, bit more volume today than yesterday. So we have to expect that the momentum will not continue. That's one thing to remember. Now let's look at this stock, EDWY. It kept going up, then retrace. I think that's something that that you need to be basically take it as a signal right now. At the open, what happened? You can look at it. Open strong, and then it came back and it went down basically the whole day, and then came back up. So that's the positive thing of the day there. But you know what? I took out everything just because of that, big move and the state of the market as well. Now, had I entered in that trade just recently, and I see that, that's a good reason. And if we were reaccumulating like in some other stock, it would be a different view, like in KNDR right now, or in WTAR. I'm just seeing it going slowly down, very small volume, declining. For me, it's just, I buy a bit every day, building up the position. There's nothing wrong happening. It's going to the 50-day moving average, staying at this support right now, so that's fair for me. We have a cost of 12 cents, but now I built a very nice position, and apparently there's a lot of things coming up, so we'll see. As well, we have this WTAR. Today was a bit weak, but not on a big volume, so it's fine. Sometimes you look at this and it stays in this range. I didn't get out on this point, and I actually started to buy a bit more just to bring down my average that I've been building up. And again, I think this one still has some legs. We're following it pretty closely. And it's not like we had the big run in the last 2-3 days. It was last week, and it's been consolidating now in a range that makes sense. And I think that this big push will be followed by other push, because you've got some big money that came into it. So that's always a sign to have, or wait for a follow-up or follow-through move. Then right here we have GETA as well. This one is pulling back. So wise people sold right here, which we did, and I mentioned it on the newsletter last week. Now I'll see where it reset, and we'll wait for a signal as well. Just a big signal, or actually a quick note to people that are not in WTAR. This point you can enter, but the right way to do it will be to wait for a previous day's high to be overcome by a new, like a new high on a trading day. So that would be the right way to enter it. So you can wait, or you can buy, assuming that you think this move will resume and go back up. So that's different angle. I'm trading it right now with the assumption that it will keep going up, a bit like this one, big push, probably will consolidate and will continue again. So we just need to wait. And in GETA's situation, I did sell at the top a bit, but I kept a small position just in case, but I took some profit, but very small position. HYGN, DPHIQ is the same thing, it's going sideways. No convincing volume. I'd like to see it very active when it goes back up. So we'll see. HYGN just came going down, and I really don't like sub penny stock. I never had really much luck. You know, there's always a lot of games happening. So we tried EWRC a few weeks ago, and you know, it was not a good trade. Let me tell you, that's was a trade, but not that good. MDOR still consolidating. FLX, like I said this morning, you need to watch it for a pullback, for weakness, and that's maybe, you know, like some point could be it comes back to 16, 15 could be a good good thing. I think it's just right now the market itself is not performing, so that's one thing. Then MAT was the example I had on my list this morning to show you. Oh, one that did something to get today is NENE. I'll just show you basically the whole, and I think it's on Monday that I mentioned that, where we had definitely support here, right? You look at this, and then this now seemed like it did act as support. So what is good is that the support level has been increased from, let's say, 85 cents to now like $1. So we should probably be ready to watch, you know, to get something. We'll just see, you know, if there's big news or anything that moves the stock. So that's it for today. We'll see you for Thursday morning again before the market, and I hope you'll have a great day trading Wednesday. Thanks a lot, and have a good day.